Hi everyone, today we're going to do more systems of equations. We've already done this, we're just going to review because it's been a little while. So today we're doing our first method, which is the graphing method. As you may recall, a solution to a system is the point where the two lines, or there could be more than two lines, but we work with two, where the lines intersect. So you may have one solution, such as this situation where the lines cross at one point. You may have no solution where you have parallel lines and they will never intersect. Or you could have infinite solutions where they are in fact just the same line, written differently usually. So let's practice graphing. Here I have y equals x plus 1. As you recall, this 1 is our y-intercept. So I'm going to put a point. Oops, I have to actually turn on my pen. As you know, I have trouble remembering to do that. So I'm going to put a point at my y-intercept, which is 1. Then my slope is my number in front of my x, but I don't have one. So remember that is 1, which means I will rise 1, run 1. Rise 1, run 1. Keep going. I will connect my points to make a relatively straight line. Should be a straight line, but it's not always easy to do on the screen. And I'm going to go pretty far across it because I'm not sure where my lines will intersect. So I want to make sure that I cover as much space as I can. Okay, my next one, my y-intercept, I'm going to change colors. My y-intercept is -3. So I'm going to put a point at 1, 2, 3. -3. My slope in this case is negative. It's a -1, which means I will go down 1 and run 1 to the right, or go up 1 and run 1 to the left. And I'm going to connect all my points. And I can see right away where my lines are going to cross. And it is right here at this point, -2, -1. My x is -2, and my y is -1. And I could check it. If I put a -2 for x, is -2 plus 1 equal to -1? And it is. Or in this case, is the opposite of -2 minus 3 equal to -1? The opposite of -2 is +2. 2 minus 3 does in fact equal -1. So it works and everything's good. Let's try another example. My first equation is y equals 4. Well, if you remember your y, that means we have a horizontal line with a 0 slope, and it's a y equals. So my y equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's a horizontal line. So it doesn't matter what x is. My y will always equal 4. So if these lines intersect, they're going to intersect where y is 4. I know that much. Let's do my next point. My next point is, my next line. Y equals -2x minus 4. Here's my y-intercept, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my slope is -2, which means I'm going to go down 2 and right 1, or up 2 and left 1. And I can connect my points. I should have another nice straight line. And it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, +4. -4, +4 is the point where these two lines intersect. So we know y equals 4, so that one works. But what about this one? If I put -4 in for x, do I get 4 for y? Well, -2 times -4 is +8. +8 minus 4 does equal 4. So it works. Never a bad idea to check. Let's look at my next example. I have another one. It's y equals x. That one students sometimes struggle with. My y-intercept is 0. There isn't one here. And my slope is 1, which means I'm starting at 0, 0 with the slope of 1 up 1 over 1. I don't know why I'm graphing my second equation first, just because. So now I can connect my line. Kind of important to be relatively straight, just so you can make sure that when your lines intersect, you're actually on this point. Okay, my next one is y equals negative 3/4 x. Well, I can see right here where my lines are going to intersect because once again, this is plus 0. So it's going to start right here. Y-intercept is 0. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3 and run 1, 2, 3, 4, or go up 1, 2, 3 and run to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. And connect my points. And you can see that my lines intercept at 0, 0. So if I put a 0 in here, negative 3/4 times 0 is 0. If I put a 0 here, 0 does equal 0. So it works. Number 4, I have y equals negative 5/3 x plus 3. Here's my y-intercept, 3, 1, 2, 3. My slope is negative 5/3, so I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and run 3, 2, 3 to the right. I can't go down 5 more, so I'm just going to have to connect the points I have and be close enough and hope that my lines intersect somewhere in there, because I go off my graph pretty quickly. Okay, my next one, my y-intercept is negative 3, so right here. And my slope is 1/3, so I'm going to rise 1, run 3 to the right, rise 1, run 3 to the right, and you can see right away where my lines are going to intersect. And it is right here at 1, 2, 3, negative 2. 3, negative 2. Again, you could plug it in and check it. I'm not going to right now, but you could do that. It's never a bad idea. Okay, that is it for today. Hope this refresher helps you. Have a great day.